You might have often heard this from programmers. Hey, this feature works in my local host, but I wonder why it doesn't work on production. There could be many reasons for this, such as different operating systems, different hardware resources, or different runtime versions. So how do we solve this problem? Well, virtual machines are one way.
Oh, this is heavy.
But there's even a more lightweight option nowadays. That is called Docker.
Wow.
When you create a program, you usually need to use different software tools and libraries that help you to do things a lot easier. These different tools and libraries can sometimes cause conflicts or problems, making it hard to get your program to work properly. With Docker, you can put all these parts in one box, which can also be known as a Docker image. But how do we use these Docker images on another computer? That is where Docker containers come into play. Imagine a small isolated space on your machine that is capable of running Docker images. That is essentially a Docker container. In case some configurations go wrong in your Docker container, you can always reset it, as it doesn't affect any of your system's configuration since it's an isolated environment. You can either choose to host a single container on instances such as Amazon EC2 or run multiple containers on Kubernetes cluster. Now that you have a basic idea of what Docker is, we can look into a Docker file sample. To use existing templates from Docker Hub, we can use the from instruction followed by the Docker template image. You can also specify the work directory, set environment variables, and also use the run instruction to run commands in the Docker container while building the image. Once we are done, we give the Docker build command that will build the image and run the Docker container. You can also set up a multi-container Docker application using the Docker compose file, such as this. Hope you like this video. If you want more such videos, please support the channel by subscribing. Thank you.